Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to create a whiteboard animation in Canva. If you are new to whiteboard animations, they are basically those fun sketch-like animations that feel like they are being drawn in real time on a whiteboard. Perfect for engaging explainer videos. Let's start by opening a new video project in Canva. This is where the magic happens. We'll create a simple design that will turn into an animated sketch in no time. First, we'll add the text. Change the font and color to match your style, resize it, and place it in the top right corner of the canvas. Now let's search for a hut in the Elements section and add a nice graphic. Resize it and place it on the canvas. Next, search for a man thinking. Select the one you like and position him near the hut. After that, find a thinking cloud and place it above the man's head. Now search for a house graphic. We select this one and place it inside the thinking cloud. It's all about visually telling a story. Once you're happy with the design, download it as a JPG file. This will be the base of our whiteboard animation. Now head to the Apps section and search for Speed Painter. We go with this one. This tool is what turns our design into whiteboard animation. Upload the image we just downloaded. Here you can set the sketch duration, which is how long it takes to draw the outlines, and the color fill duration, which controls how quickly the colors fill in after the sketch is done. Adjust these based on how fast or slow you want your animation to feel. Once you are happy with the settings, click Generate and Canva will create a whiteboard animation for you. Once done, simply add it back into your design, resize it and download it as MP4 video. And your whiteboard animation is ready. That's how easy to create a whiteboard animation in Canva. Play around with different designs and timings to make it your own. Hope you liked this tutorial. See you in the next video.